Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video. And if you're looking for a rugged military grade case for your Samsung Galaxy S24, which comes with a belt holster, then have a look at the one from Tongate. The unboxing experience here is pretty simple. You have a box. Inside that, you have a tempered glass screen protector. You have a welcome card from Tongate. Then you have some wipes to install your tempered glass screen protector, and then you have the case itself. So this here is our rugged military case with a belt holster for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series from Tongate. Let us remove the belt holster, and as you can see, they're telling us to separate the front frame from the left or the right corner on the bottom. So this here is the bottom of this case, and you have a frame insert. You have a slot over here. You can stick your nail in here and then run it along the side to separate the inner frame from the outside case. So bam, here it is. This here is our inner frame, and let me remove this tag as well. Now, once we have removed the tag, this here is the inner frame which will go on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. This is the actual case. The side here are TPU, the back here is polycarbonate material. You do have this slider with some magnetic action to protect the camera lenses on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. We'll talk more about that later in the video. Now, I have already installed the tempered glass screen protector which came with this case, and as you can see, there is no lifting from the edges. It fits perfectly on my Samsung Galaxy S24, and the fingerprint scanner is working like a boss with this tempered glass screen protector installed. Next up, let us go ahead and install this frame onto our Samsung Galaxy S24, and then we're going to install it on the actual case. So here it is, insert it from one side and then press from the other side to get a snug fit. Also make sure that you run your fingers along the edges so that the slot here and this TPU part fits in that slot. And here it is, we have successfully installed this Tongate Rugged Case on our Samsung Galaxy S24. Here it is, you can see on your screen right now. The lip protection for the display is super duper great. Place your phone like this, screen side down on the table. You don't have to worry about the display getting scratched. And of course, the screen protector which came, there is no lifting, which means that the case here is definitely screen protector friendly. Now, moving over to the back, you have this slider which is held in place by magnets on the inside. So here it is. It snaps into place, and if you move your phone, that slider is not going to move around. Similarly, if the slider is open, again it will snap into place. Move the phone, it stays in place. So awesome, great camera protection for your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Here is the lip action which we are getting, and if I place my phone like this on the table, camera side down, I don't have to worry about the camera lenses getting scratched. Then you also have this carbon fiber design giving you that rugged look. Do note that the case is available in 4 different colors: black, blue, green and red, and you also have these raised edges around the back of the case. As for the bottom, let us see the cutouts. So you have the cutout for your USB Type-C and your speakers along with your microphone. Everything lines up pretty good. On this side we have our buttons. Let us check out the tactile feedback. Here it is. Awesome, great tactile feedback from the power button. What about volume up and volume down? Again, the same thing. Great tactile feedback, no complaints over here. On top you have the cutouts for your noise cancelling microphones. Everything lines up pretty good. Nothing on this side. Then you also have this kickstand which you can open and snap into place, and there it is. If you want to watch a movie, place your phone like this, feel free to watch the movie, or if you want it in portrait mode, you can do that as well. No issues to report. Once you're done, you can open this up, snap it back into place, bam, working like a boss. Next up, let us have a look at the belt holster. So the material here is not flimsy at all. This is sturdy material. You have a belt holster clip, and you can move this 360 degrees. It will stay in place for 12 positions like you have on your analog clocks. So there it is, and you can also open it. Again, pretty nice material over here, not flimsy at all. And how do you put your phone inside this rugged case with the belt holster? Well, put it in like this from one side and then just push it into place. Bam, here it is. Tongate Rugged Case with a belt holster and a belt clip working like a boss on the Samsung Galaxy S24. Here it is. This is the look which you are going to get from the front, and it does look pretty dope to me. Now, another question you might have is, hey Manchi, what about the fingerprints, the smudges? Well, here it is. You can see that the case here has matte finish, which means that you do not have any fingerprints, neither on the back nor on the side, which I think is an added advantage for a rugged case. And the sides here, once you hold the Galaxy S24 with this case installed, it is not going anywhere. You will have the feeling of grip. And then if you want to take out the Samsung Galaxy S24 from this Tongate rugged case, all you have to do is move this clip a little bit and then pull out your phone. Bam, here it is. The phone is now out of this belt holster for the Samsung Galaxy S24. And I'm pretty sure the next thing you're going to ask me is, hey Manchi, what about wireless charging? Well, here it is. Let us place the phone on a wireless charger. Bam, there it is. You can see on your screen right now. Wireless charging is working without any issues. So there it is, peeps. If you are in the market for a rugged case with awesome great protection, a belt holster, and great materials, rugged construction, then do consider the rugged case from Tongate for your Samsung Galaxy S24 series.